to go. So, again, we got a very good lineup. As I said, Madam Johnson loves his steering for organises that coffee event on this Sunday a couple of weeks ago. And she's down here at coffee on Friday. They've got a great bunch of YSC members down there sorting out that competition. Great competition. So this is the easy part of these heats, is just looking after this first year until they step up the neck, and then the next one will come out. That's when it gets more hard. We've got to put a pressure on. But a good ball handler will add value to your ball check. I know it's not good at the moment, but it's getting there. The British ball are doing everything in their powers to keep this ball, get the price back up to where it needs to be. You can't beat British ball. And you can't beat ball very environmentally friendly chronic growing on the hillside of Wales every 12 years. So you get a good ball handler in the shed, it'll put value, add value to your ball check. So there they go, you'll see them drop them variables on the table legs. Number 1 and number 2. And then they work with the series on that under 9. And they'll get that, take any of that stained ball, that'll be in a proper, the correct Hoffman bit. So they don't want to get too much off, because the Hoffman man will pull it back. They might lose a few points. That's a good throw from Ivy over there, but I'm not the judge. It looks like that will go wrong on Tango. Man, Johnson, good throw, flat tack onto the table. Bronwyn Tango, she was world champion year 2010. I think it's the reason she was an master area judge, but she wanted to come back, because it's over 25 years ago when they started bull handling competition during the Royal Welsh Show. So here we are, 25 years later, she's trying to make it into that team to represent Wales at the World Championships in 2023. So that's why she's back here now. Let Madam Johnson go here now. They're picking up that gather, that second place, ready to go on to the table. Here goes Madam Johnson, beautiful throw there, but I'm not the judge. She cleans off that ball there between the shearers coming out. Highly over there, another good throw. She just flips that thing over the table in. And they just flick that wrist and flat back on the table and man. Bronwyn Tango gathered up place number 2 and not a good throw. But I'm not the judge there. It's world champion and being a team champion. My year MNC knows it there. The judge there on table 2 at the moment. That's a cracky looking place there. The managing back to the table, making sure there's no wool way between each throw, because that could be a credit card. That's a penalty point there as well. I'm the owner. She's working hard here. They're all working hard here on. It's a tremendous heat, this beautiful Bowman shows.
Yeah, so where are we at then? Bronwyn is there on table 2. He's ready to put that in the basket. Already, she's up there on table number 3 at Sherman. Viviana there from Talbot to Kennedy Young. Throws it out to short. Felice for Madam Johnson there on table 1. So there's Brontango on 2. She rounds up Felice as well. That's a loose Felice for her as well there on table number 2. That throw is going to be a big one. He covers the table there up on 2. Viviana. Rolling up Felice up there on table number 3. Sherman, ladies and gentlemen. She's tucking that neck rolling there on table number 3. On Felice and number 3 she is. She'll be waiting for the 4th to come off now. She gets the belly roll off there onto the floor. Where's Madam Johnson? She's there at table 1. She helps the shearer out. She's there cleaning the table. Yeah, shearer, ladies and gentlemen. She's straight in there. Hopefully set number 4 up there on table number 1. Viviana already up there on table number 3. She flicks the belly roll into that Felice, gets it up and no tango. She's straight up there. Rolling on Felice up again, tight sneaking back up there on table number 3. Where's Brontango then? She's there. Into the basket goes Felice number 3 for Brontango. Viviana tightening that roll up. That neck roll up on table number 3 on the 4th Felice. She's waiting for the 5th to come off, but she cleans the ball off. Into the basket goes Felice number 4 for Madam Johnson. She's got it all up, and Brontango's squared around. A good throw for the both of them. Madon and Viviana. Up on 1 and 3. Right, they clean the balls off. Brontango's on there doing the 4th Felice there. then. Rolls the ball up on a fifth and final fleece. And so does Bron Tango shortly after it. He skates around that fleece there on table number 2. Where's Eviona? Blair Malin Johnson there on table number 1. She's rolling that fine fleece up there on table number 1. Eviona's chasing hard as well. The 3 of them will be on the broom in no time at all, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are then, the 3 of them, neck and neck at the moment, rolling those neck more into the fleece, into the baskets, so fleece number 5, a flick of the table from Fiona. Now it's going to go, ladies and gentlemen, there's not much between them. The 3 of them are on the brooms. Bron Tango just cleaning the boards off, but look at table 2, 3 and 1 there. Already Fiona on her knees, she's cleaning the roll up. Where's Madam Johnson? She's there as well, cleaning a tiny job there on table number 1. Off the ball, Bron Tango's chasing hard as well on table number 3. And Sherman out goes Eviona up on table number 3. So where's Madam Johnson? She's going to come aboard, it's supposed to clear it on the floor there. Bron Tango up there on table number 2. She's on the board as well. Out goes Madam Johnson on table number 1. So Bron Tango now, just doing the final touches, cleaning out the floor. Owen flicking out she goes. Give her a round of applause, everyone. Back on news. Heat number 8. We go straight on to heat number 9, Steve.
Becca Jackson to table 1, Jess Morgan to 2, Alice Merriman to 3, please.